Love, the Christ did it, so we can do it. So let's do this.
So yo, spirit done still going strong. For you are my one arise. I'm sinking deep now where the petties stone roll away. Now I walk in your trust. Truth from the some kind of booth. Arise my love, arise my wife, arise my woman. You called me from over here to mind no more running. We are here one. You ask me into your light, what the invite. Bright of trust, love and belief, both in an extinction. We called on oath deep by blood and bone, that we stand in love, holding on each other, born to die. Arise, the Christ is our shield of Holy Ghost, eyes of God seeking His Adam and Eve. Hearts lost, found, we are here to give what should be given, and love is our reward. Go toward the Lord, born to give God His long lost human love between man and woman. That is lost is now true through me and my woman. Going to make it possible, we're going to make the heavenly heart pump with blood in the heart through the body, holding on bone and soul. You know, going to do it. I know, she know, now we know. So arise my word, give my woman wisdom and clearness of mind. Put us in your trust, let love control our ways and make us the man and woman we wanna be, that you want us to be. Me, she, we believe in thee. 1, 2, 3. Arise my love, arise my wife, arise my woman, arise. There's no bye-byes, only highs. So arise, so your spirit done. Still here going strong for my one arise. I'm sinking deep now where the petties stone roll away. Yes, arise.
We can do this, woman.